Ali Inspector Dropshipping Review. Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Welcome to our review of Ali Inspector Dropshipping. Links to the product and additional resources are provided in the description below. Ali Inspector is a powerful tool for dropshippers designed to help streamline product research and supplier selection directly from AliExpress. Whether you're new to dropshipping or an experienced seller, Ali Inspector simplifies the process of finding winning products and reliable suppliers to boost your e-commerce success. The primary feature of Ali Inspector is its product research tool. It allows users to search AliExpress for trending products based on real-time data, including sales volume, product performance, and competition. This feature is crucial for dropshippers who want to ensure that they're selecting products with proven demand and solid profit potential. You can easily analyze product data such as order history, reviews, and shipping times, which helps eliminate the guesswork from product selection. Another standout feature is the supplier rating system. Ali Inspector provides detailed ratings and reviews of suppliers, allowing you to quickly identify trustworthy partners. This feature ensures that you're working with reliable suppliers who offer quality products, good communication, and timely shipping. The tool also integrates with Shopify, making it easy to import selected products directly into your store. Ali Inspector is designed for dropshippers who want to save time and avoid costly mistakes when sourcing products. It's particularly useful for entrepreneurs who are looking for a way to evaluate suppliers and product data effectively without spending hours manually sifting through AliExpress listings. In terms of strengths, Ali Inspector excels in providing detailed product data and reliable supplier information, making it easy to make informed decisions. However, its weakness lies in the fact that it primarily focuses on AliExpress, limiting its scope for users who want to source products from multiple platforms. Additionally, the subscription pricing may not be ideal for those just starting out. In conclusion, Ali Inspector is a valuable tool for dropshippers who are focused on AliExpress and want to make data-driven product choices. With its strong product research and supplier rating features, it simplifies the dropshipping process. Be sure to check the description for more information and to get started.